Salutations and greetings, y'all. This is Cool Cat with Get Right Media. Today I'm gonna give you 5 tips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tips on concert photography. Tips that you do not want to miss. Check it off. Do what you gotta do. This video really applies to both photography and videography. So alright, so the first thing you want to do is to check your batteries. I know it's simple, I know it's dumb, but always check your batteries. You might miss one or two, or all of them for that matter. Hint hint, which is the absolute worst. Or you only got one left. It is the worst feeling in the world. I've been there. Don't do it. Yeah, you got to have your batteries charged. If you got to do it the night before, just charge your batteries, please. It always helps it to have more than one, obviously. I have about 6 for my Lumix G85, and it helps a lot. Number 2, check your memory card. Check your memory card. I cannot tell you again how many times I've gotten to an event, did photos and video, and come to find out the card is full. And if you don't have a laptop around you, or if somebody you know doesn't have a laptop at the concert, you are out of luck. You're gonna have to pick and choose what you're gonna delete, or run to the store and risk missing some of the event to have your memory card. And also have a backup memory card with you, because you never know what might happen. Almost as important as checking the batteries, do not forget. Do not forget. If you gotta set yourself a reminder, anything, do not forget that. 3, know your surroundings. Whatever event you're at, kind of study it, know where you're going, try to get the best angles that you can. I know it's probably your first time at the event, but you gotta kind of get a feel of it. It'll help the show run a lot smoother. Once you get in the groove, you know where you're going, you know what shots you're going to get, and you know what angle will look the best across the screen. So, number 4, anything could happen. I mean, anything could happen. So you should at least arrive 20 to 30, if not more, minutes or an hour early to the event. If you arrive there at a reasonable time, you will get a chance to study and get a feel of the event. If you're on time, you're late. Wait, how do you go? If you're early, you're on time. You know what I'm saying. You know what it is. Do that. Be early, so you can know exactly where you're going. They go hand in hand. So that's all I'm telling you. I mean, you can if you want to, but you're gonna be. I don't think the client's gonna be happy if you show up a little late, like 30, 45 minutes, hour late. No telling what you could have missed. If you are late, maybe it's a chance that they start late or whatever. And that has happened where I was late a few times, but they actually started late, so I didn't miss a thing. So, arrive as early as possible. Account for traffic, anything, restroom. So you need something to eat. Get all that out the way. So once it's go time, you locked in and you in the zone. And last but not least, number 5, get the shot. I don't care who in the way, I don't care what nobody else doing, get the shot. Get the shot. If somebody else recording with their phone, oh well, get the shot. They are paying you, the event coordinator or whoever paid you to be there, get the shot. Trust me. If you think you didn't get the shot, get it again. Try to recreate it on spot. Get the shot. I'm sorry if they on Instagram Live, Facebook Live, whatever. Do not be afraid to get in front of these people and get the shot. You are the photographer. It is your job to make the client satisfied. Get the shot. And that's all. That's all I got for today. Like for part 2 coming soon. You can follow me at CoolCat K007 KAT, or Get Right Media _ like for more tutorials. There's a lot more to come. We're doing a lot more content. Kind of got the jitters out a while back, and now I'm trying to zone in and focus on YouTube, and so y'all could see a little bit more of me, and you know, try to get a feel of what I do and how I do it. I'm gonna do a lot more behind the scenes for you guys, and we can learn, like I said, go through this journey together. So until next time, I'll see you. Peace and blessings.